Welcome to Peter Twig Meditation. My name is Peter, and today I'll be talking about using apps in meditation. You may have had the experience of meditating using an app. You might also have found that it helps keep your focus, and you can achieve a certain depth of meditation where you feel benefits coming from that meditation. This may be a superior calmness, less anxiety, improved health and well-being. There are many other benefits that come from meditation. These benefits are unique to each person, but these benefits are the byproduct of meditating, not the end goal. It could be even that your desire to meditate is not the real reason why you are called to meditate. Just raising that as a question for you to reflect on. To understand what is happening in meditation, we need to understand more about the nature of meditation. What is really happening when we meditate? The process of meditating is the turning inwards of your consciousness towards its source. Meditation is about consciousness knowing itself. This inward turning is an involution of consciousness. It is a returning home of you, the real you. Often when people first perceive spiritual worlds, they feel a longing deep inside themselves. This is because their consciousness has moved a step towards returning home, a finding of its source, and that evokes a remembering of who we are. So this turning inside yourself is a return towards your source. All the benefits you receive from your meditation comes from this involution of consciousness. It is an alignment with the very core of yourself. What happens then when we use an app? I indicated earlier that an app can be useful when meditating to help stabilize your consciousness in the initial stages. It stops you drifting into thoughts, daydreams, or falling asleep, for example. The issue, however, is that the sounds and images created by the app are coming from a source external to you. In other words, they are outside yourself. If you have a desire to meditate, then it comes in part from a need to balance your inner state with the exvolution, that is the turning outwards of yourself. Your 5 senses are designed to receive stimulation from the world. This continuous input of data means your senses also keep you exvoluted in the world. They are also here to help you to incarnate. In other words, your senses catch you and keep you in the world. If you doubt that, then look at the way people are held by social media, Netflix, music, cooking shows, talent shows, shopping, alcohol, and 101 other stimulants. And in this modern world, we all know how our senses are massively overloaded. The fact is, your senses were designed to stop you from being eaten by a tiger or burning yourself if you were to touch a hot stove. Your senses help pick the right item from a supermarket shelf. In other words, your senses stick to the world like honey to your fingers. Meditation is a turning away from the world towards your source. It is an embracing of the non-physical part of yourself. Now, meditation apps are a big industry with many subscribers producing big revenue streams for the app owners. I don't have a problem with that, and I see that meditation apps have helped many people to achieve some of the benefits of meditation. I wonder, however, if the app developers have forgotten the reason for meditation in the first place, and they are really helping people to go deeper in their meditation. So if you feel a need to go deeper, then possibly it's time to let go of the app and follow your sense of knowing. You might sense that meditation could give you more. Then maybe it's also to conduct your meditation without the use of an app. If you feel that despite your best attempts, your meditation is being held back by the sounds coming from the app, or maybe your senses remain stuck in the world, then all of these symptoms are signs that you're needing to go deeper in your meditation. Often people will experience a sense of deeper stillness and the emergence of more profound states as they are free to move to deeper levels of meditation. If you are ready to try this, let me know what you experience in the comments below. Now, if you found this video useful, please hit the like and subscribe button below, along with the notification bell. Once again, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips, techniques, and context to help you achieve more from your meditation.